How many of you are happy and satisfied in your life? How many of you are enjoy your life fully? I think most of the people are not satisfied by their life. But there is one of the most important and easy way that can fully satisfied by your life. The only way is make a change in you. If you want to change your life, you must work on yourself continue. Always know that as you invest time and effort on you, that's the greatest ability that human being have above animal. Human being, you have got unlimited potential. You can put efforts on you by concentrating on you and developing you. You can transform your life whoever you are right now. And as you continue to work on yourself, you will begin to expand your vision of yourself. You will begin to work towards self-mastery, and you will begin to see it reflect itself in all dimensions of your life. Your mental life, your physical life, your social life, and in your relationship. So concentrate on you and developing you. The next thing is develop a health plan. So you can't feel well and do well if you don't have a good health. You can't perform if you don't have a good health. Develop a health plan that you will follow. That's not easy. It is not easy to having a health plan and sticking to it. The moment you start focusing on yourself, things start falling into place. What does it mean to have a great health? And how we can find more of it? Obviously, exercise, sleep, diet are important, but we all know that. I think good health has as much to do with how you feel about your vitality as what you do about it. If you believe in your health, it can flourish. If you believe in your body's ability to heal, it will flourish. If you believe in your vitality and energy, it will flourish. Give yourself a shot at a life worth living. You can't live that life without your body. Everywhere you go, your body goes with you. You can't live without it. So appreciate your body, value it for its service. You have been through a lot. You are you. You can't get away from yourself. Why waste your energy complaining about who you are? Love your body no matter what. Don't compare it to others. Believe in your health. Believe in your body's ability to heal itself. Believe in your great future with your great body. Have a gratitude for your health. Have a gratitude for your vitality. Have a gratitude for your life.